Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my September 2020 Witches Moon box. Yes, I'm late. You know, if you don't know what's happening with me, please like, comment, and subscribe. Not just to YouTube, but I have, Facebook and Instagram, and I've been doing whatever updates I can on those channels. But basically, I live in Southern Oregon, and we've been affected by the fires. So here it is. Ooh, it sounds like there's a glass thing in there. It smells good. It smells cinnamony, I feel like. Siren of Spirits. Beautiful. Oh, the witch's bell. So it sounds like we're going to have a bell. Love that. I love these journal pages. Ooh. Look at that beautiful deck back. What's my fortune? The Seven Sisters. The Pleiades, right? Tegeta? Or am I wrong? Circles. Sisterhood enriches my life. I thought... Oh, let's see. I'll have to look at it. But I thought that was the Pleiades, and that's my favorite meteor shower because it peaks on my birthday. The Witch's Call. So we'll look at this last. Angelica Root, which I don't think I have. Flaxseed, which I may or may not have. And Feverfew, I do think I have. But still, it's nice to get something. It's nice to get more quantities of herbs. Ooh. Nice. Pulse of Peace. Sacred Salt. Plastic, but still good. It smells really rich, like a forest. Ooh, hematite. Nice, nice. Lord. Aegis. Anointing oil. It's got some stuff floating in it. Let's give her a smell. Oh man, it's tight. It's very like musky almost, but I'm probably not using the correct word. Concordia. See what our beautiful candle looks like this month. It's black. It smells like beeswax, which is just fine by me. I love that smell. And then let's open this. Got a lot missing out of the frame. Sorry guys. Let me just scooch everything up. So we've got the salt, the oil, the 3 herbs, the incense, the hematite. We've got the Book of Shadows artwork, oracle card. We've got a candle here, and let's check out what's in the box. Wow. Reminds me of like the foot of a hawk or an eagle. Oh, it's heavy. It's big and heavy. I feel like an Averson. Beautiful. Wow. It's amazing. Very cool. Amazing. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's read out this. There are moments that exist throughout each day where we demand control, call upon guides, and cast out negative or unwanted energies. These practices are so vital during times of overabsorption, chaos, and polarization. Our dedication to the craft provides us with a unique opportunity to maintain and regulate the energies that are allowed to enter our sacred spaces and ritual areas. Within this power, we are the creators and the destroyers. choosing our own path and connecting with its purpose on a more intimate and meaningful level. In this very special collection, we provide tools that are unique in their ability to aid and empower us during ritual. This one-of-a-kind box has been in the process of creation for many moons, and it's exclusive to subscribers of the Witch's Moon. So, custom handmade Pentacle Witch's Bell. It has been such an honor to work on the creation of a custom bell, relying on intuitive energies and spiritual guides to direct us. The ringing of bells dates back almost 4,000 years, communicating messages over long distances and symbolizing power and status. Commonly said to have begun in ancient China and slowly seeping into the roots of religions such as Buddhism, Hindu, Shinto, etc., the bell transitions into a known tool for communication and slowly started to appear in the creation of transformative music. Very often, the bell is associated with the same qualities as the Tibetan singing bowl and can be used for similar purposes. The ringing of great bells still catches the attention of those that are near, sparking interest and curiosity. Within witchcraft, these basic principles of communication still apply, yet work to contact and notify spirits that are commonly attracted to those that may be more in tune with the spiritual realm. Although bells have always been on or near our altars, we are always looking to add new vibrations to our collection, providing us with an array of energetic tools that may strike a different essence with each ring. Associated with the divine resource of creation, the bell resonates with the goddess and is used to invite these powerful energies into our rituals and sacred spaces. Calling upon the elementals, watchers, and spirit guides are only a small part of the many uses of its sacred bell. A very programmable tool, the witch's bell is used to clear away negative energies by demanding that the space around you be pure and relevant to your intentions. The ringing of the bell can also call upon angels, spirit guides, ethereal energies, and other entities that you may wish to assist you in your work and spiritual development. Most importantly, the witch's bell is your tool to communicate a message and exclaim your true purpose to those that may be seen on the physical realm or within the hidden realms that exist around you. There's more, but I'm getting distracted because all I can think of is the Aberson series and how the bells are one of the most important magical tools that they have because it can control the dead, but for protection purposes, and some people use it for evil. It's really a super cool concept. I love this. So, Siren of Spirits Incantation Book of Shadows. It goes with your witch's bell. And the witch's bell, Spell Book of Shadows. So that's this and this. And the Power and Protection Spell Candle, which is here. It's the intention of enhancing the magic that flows through you in your sacred space. The energetic properties that have been placed within this candle are carefully selected to create a barrier between your rituals and those that wish to disturb it. The Aegis, which I'm saying wrong, it's a magical anointing oil. The Aegis is the shield carried by Athena. It's immortal and carried with and ageless and has great magical properties. The oil itself has frankincense, myrrh, and sandalwood oils, along with clover, ground sage, lavender buds, and hyssop, and Lumarian quartz. It also has a little bit of the great Roar magical oil from their personal cabinet added to it. Pulse of Peace Sacred Salt. Sacred salt was created with the intention of aligning yourself with the energies of peace and tranquility before ritual work. As you sit with these natural energies, practice letting go of your worldly problems, focusing on the very simple beat of your heart. So, it has cedarwood and chamomile, as well as clover, chamomile, and plantain. It also has a little bit of regeneration magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. A hematite. Facilitate union between you and your spirit guides. We have included a tumbled hematite to accompany you on your path. In addition to spirit communication, we commonly use hematite to assist us in turning our intentions into physical and spiritual manifestations. Hematite can also be stored with your divinatory tools to enhance your ability to communicate messages and signs throughout your practice. Concordia Ritual Incense Sticks embodies the energies of harmony, unity, and sympathy. As the smoke from this incense wafts through your surroundings, visualize the unity between you and your true intentions. Feverfew. It's a wonderful protection herb. Provides safety and comfort during times of unease, chaos, confusion, and disharmony. And then we have Angelica root, a multifunctional plant. Aids in some of the most common spells and rituals used today. Rid your area of evil and negative spirits. You could put in your vow to remove hexes or curses. Flaxseed. In addition to enhancing prosperity and abundance, it can be included in protection sachets to guard against psychic attacks or negative attachments. And then we have the personalized oracle reading. We've meditated and selected this card from the Star Temple Oracle deck by Susie Chera. It's beautiful. And of course, parchment paper. So I kind of got discombobulated because I looked up and I realized that my camera, and there's a chicken who has just laid an egg, so she's squawking because they're young chickens and this is their first eggs, and apparently it hurts their vent. Anyway, so this, I feel like there's less items, but this is obviously a bigger item. Although I can't quantify how it is less though, because I have a stone, an oil, a bath salt, 3 herbs, incense, and a candle. So I know that it's the right amount. I mean, it seems like an art and this, it feels like I have everything. It just feels like visually it looks less, but it's not. So, I don't get me wrong, I love it. This is great. I love the quality of this. This is heavy. It feels almost like cast iron. And I'm very excited about that. It definitely gives me some really personal, heavy, magical vibes. And I'm going to look this up too because I really like this. And I might end up getting a deck, which I really shouldn't. I really shouldn't. But if it looks good, I'm probably gonna. So anyways, I love this box. I always have. So please check out the description. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. I miss you. I'm so happy to be able to connect with you guys again, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.